Step 1 is to download this app right here. Step 2 is to listen to music on YouTube. And step 3 is to connect these so you can start getting paid. So clearly you know what YouTube is since you're watching this video on the YouTube platform. But did you know that you could listen to music on YouTube and get paid for it? Listening to one song on YouTube Music can earn you $5. So if you were to listen to 5 songs, you could earn $25. And then if you listen to 20 songs, then you could earn $100. You can complete this in a matter of minutes simply by using either your smartphone or computer. And you can repeat this process as many times as you'd like. This process is completely free, which means there will be zero upfront costs for you to fulfill. And this is available to anyone in any country all around the world. I'm going to be sharing a few bonus tips so you can multiply your earnings, so make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. So the first app that I'd like you to download is the Current app. This app rewards you simply by just listening to music. And later in this video, I will show you a few other apps that you can download on your phone as well. I'll provide a real-life example to show you how to use them, what music you should listen to, and then give you a bonus tip to give you more money. Make sure you don't skip any part of this video and that you pay close attention to every step so you know how you can earn money by listening to YouTube music through this detailed process. With the Current app, you can listen to music while doing any other activity. It can run in the background completely by itself while you earn money. You can get this app on the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. You want to make sure that you're downloading the right app. This is what it should look like. It has about 2.7 million reviews and over 10 million downloads. It also has about 4.3 stars, making it a very solid application. And then this is what it looks like if you were to download it on the Apple App Store if you have an iPhone. I'll be showing you a real-life example, but before I do that, I want to show you how to choose music that will pay you the most money. This app includes over 100,000 different radio stations, and one of them is YouTube Music. You can even use this app and listen to music while offline, meaning you don't need to be on the internet. You also don't need to make any sort of investment or upfront cost when using this application in the beginning. When you listen to your favorite music, you earn points which you then convert into real money down the line. So after you've downloaded this app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, you can begin to listen to YouTube music from the radio stations. When you enter your account, you'll notice something like this. This is one of the only ways that you can get paid while listening to music through this method. I'll be showing you 2 different methods to earn money while you listen to music. Make sure to keep watching this video because I'll be showing you a few bonus tips to get 3 times or even 4 times the amount of money that you earn. This is what the main homepage or dashboard for YouTube Music looks like. You'll be able to discover a lot of different artists, songs, and playlists as you navigate this website. There's a wide selection of recommended music that's curated specifically for you and your musical interests. So when you combine these 2 applications, you'll be able to earn money completely passively. So now let me give you an example or demonstration. So here's a playlist that I'm currently listening to with several different songs that are on the queue. After every song is finished playing, it'll then move on to the next song. And you'll get paid for every single song that you listen to. But if you hover your mouse over this icon and click on it, it will create a loop for you to repeat this process for you. In other words, after all of these songs in the playlist are finished playing till the very end, it'll then go back to the first song and go through all of them again. This will allow you to earn money repeatedly. Before I continue on with this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, so you can learn about more ways to make money online. So a bonus tip I'd like to share with you is to have many songs queued up on your playlist. Here you can see I have several songs that are queued up so I can earn money faster. So now I want to show you another way to make money while listening to music on YouTube. You're well aware that you're able to watch videos and music videos on YouTube as you're watching a video on YouTube right now. An example would be this video right here, Pop Hits 2021. You can listen to music playlists like this for an hour or more and be able to make money repeatedly through this process. This video right here I have in front of you is an example, and it's the only tab that I have open in my browser. So here's another bonus tip that I want to share with you. I'm just going to open another tab so I can listen to even more music. And I'm even going to open a third tab so I can continue listening to even more music to earn more money. So I have a total of 3 different tabs open in my browser that are all playing music. So the more tabs you have opened that are all playing music, you'll be able to earn even more money. So I'm going to share with you a few more bonus tips right now. When you play videos on YouTube that are longer than an hour, you'll be able to earn more money. And when you click on the settings gear icon right here, you can change the speed of the video. The default is at the normal speed, but when you can select 2, you can make the video play twice as fast. This will allow you to earn the same amount of money but twice as fast. Here's another bonus tip. If you have several tabs open and your internet speed is not very fast, you can change the quality of each video to 144p to allow you to have more tabs open so you can make even more money. Another bonus tip I'd like to share with you is downloading this Chrome extension called YouTube Playback Speed Control. This Chrome extension can be downloaded on either your computer or your phone within your Chrome browser. It's 100% free. You can see that there are over 100,000 users using this Chrome extension. This will allow you to play these videos at 3 times the speed rather than just the 2 times speed that's allowed on YouTube. You can control and change the speed here on the top right corner. Using this extension will allow you to speed up the money-making process even more, allowing you to make a lot more money. Now that brings us to the end of today's video. If you'd like to watch another video on how to make money online, check out this video right here.